What's going on, you beautiful people? This is Joshua here, and in this video I'm going to walk you through how to get Plex going on your Android device. So the easiest way to do this is through the new Snow Media Center app, aka SMC. You might hear or see me talking about it a lot. It is the easiest, best way to do it. If you don't have it, we can easily get the app right here in the downloader. And just go ahead and type in the code 9073972. Just go ahead and type that in just like usual. It'll download, it'll install, and then we can just go ahead and open it up.
Find your version, download, install it once, let it load. SMC first, that's how we move. Android box, fire, TV, 2 movies and shows, ready to go. Snow Media makes the setup flow. Go to main apps.
Now, if you already have the SMC app on your device, just go ahead and open it up.
Android box got a different ride. Click download and install now. Unknown sources might pop out. Turn Snow Media Center on. Back button once, keep moving strong. Down and right, click install. Small little step, not hard at all. When it's done, open that screen. Now Plex is almost ready, clean. SMC first, then Plex on deck. Main apps open, take that step.
So if it's your first time, you'll get the little pop-up just telling you a little bit about the app. This is the main app, your main go-to before using anything. So before you use Plex, before you use Dream Streams, always come to Snow Media, because in here, like you can see at the top, we will always let you know what's going on with the apps, the services, all that other good stuff. So once you're inside of here, you can just go to main apps. And then if you scroll down, we will see Plex. There's two different versions. One's for the Fire TVs, and then you have the Android box version. So just go ahead and click it, and then click download.
Make sure they're ready before you sign. When they say ready, click sign in. Send a Plex code, let them in. They'll connect it from the side. You just wait while it verifies. Practice for movies, practice for shows. Live TV got another road.
Cool, go ahead and click install now. You may get this pop-up asking you to install from unknown sources. We want to make sure we turn Snow Media Center on. This will allow us to install apps from it. Go ahead and click the back button on your remote. And go ahead and install. And per usual, we're going down and to the right and clicking install.
Stay streaming, stay dreaming.
Look, no freezes, no fuss, just screen glowing.
Cool, and once that's done, we just come to the right, go ahead and open it up.
Vibes on deck, movies all night. We're stay streaming, stay dreaming. Blur no cables, no scheming.
Okay, so for these Android devices, it's a little different. What I want you to do on your D-pad, which is the directional pad, the up, down, left, right, just go ahead and press to the right, and then you should get this little pop-up here to switch to TV mode. So we have to switch to TV mode. If you don't get it, just press some other buttons. You should get that pop-up there. If you get this Amazon one, you can just ignore it. We don't need it. Click the back button, make it go away. It's irrelevant. But we do want to switch this to TV. Okay, so this next part is very important. You cannot sign in by yourself. go ahead and reach out to your seller, reseller, whoever is getting you set up with all of this, and let them know that you're going to be sending them the Plex code to get logged in, and just make sure that they're ready, because we only have about a 10-minute window or so, so we want to make sure that they're available. And once you get that response, just simply come to the right and click sign in, and then you're going to get a 4-digit code. If you don't get a code, chances are we're either having internet issues or you might be getting blocked by your internet provider, and in that case we'll use a VPN. But you can either go through the video yourself here in Vimeo and all of our support channels, or reach out to your seller. They'll help guide you through it as well. But reach out to your seller, make sure that they're available, and if they are, go ahead and shoot them this Plex code. And it's going to change every single time, but we have about a 10-minute window, give or take, for that code to be valid. So that's why you want to make sure that you can message them and that they are available, so you can just send it and then they're busy, and then you got to do this all over again later. Once you send them that code, they'll enter it. We're going to see this. So we want to click Snow Media. It's going to ask for a code. That code is going to be 2650. So 2650. Don't worry about any of the other options. It's not for us. Next, you want to choose the Snow Media server and click Continue. And then now you can uncheck any options you want on here. Most of us don't have 3D TVs, so I usually uncheck this, as well as the IMAX one. And then as we scroll down, again, it's entirely up to you what you want, but there's 3 other ones that I like to uncheck because they don't really apply to us. And that's going to be live TV, Plex content, and then rentals. With our server, you don't need any of that. So once you're done checking or unchecking your stuff, go ahead and click Continue. And so there's 2 important things that we want to do before we start streaming. One of those is to come to the left side of the screen, drop all the way down to settings. So we're going to come all the way down, and we're going to go ahead and click on settings. Next, we're going to go ahead and turn sign in automatically on. So if you just click it, go ahead and click on. That's the first step. Next step is to drop down to advanced, and then to the right over here to H.264. So we want to make sure that this is on 5.2. If you're not on 5.2, go ahead and click it, drop down to 5.2 and click it. You're gonna get a pop-up like this. Don't change it to 6, but you're gonna get this pop-up, and so you want to click yes. So 5.2, and then click yes. After that, you're all set. You can press the back button 2 times. It'll take us back to the main page, and then it'll take us all the way up to the top. And you know, it's pretty self-explanatory. You have search at the top where you can search for a specific movie or TV show. Key things with this is that whenever you, so these aren't what's available in Plex, this is just what people search on Plex. But when you do search for a movie or a TV show, what it's going to do is it's going to load up and it's going to give you an option like watch from these locations. You always want to look for Snow Media P2. If for whatever reason that's not there, chances are the movie's not available. And you can reach out to your seller and try to request it. If it's an older movie, if it's in theaters or something, it might be a little harder. It depends. But when you search for a movie, look for Snow Media P2 and then you'll be set. But here on your menu, in the categories, you have your movies, you have TV shows, kids, all of that good stuff. And so in here, this top menu is just what other people are watching. Down here, you have all the recently released movies. So all of these are going to be 2026. It's the current time of this video. And newer. And then recently added is going to be a blend of new stuff as well as old stuff, because we're constantly getting old stuff as well. And so, you know, go ahead and pick a movie that you want. It'll tell you about it. It'll tell you who's in the movie, related movies. There's a lot of really cool stuff in here as well. Quick little trick when you come in here, let's say you open up a movie or TV show. I'm gonna pause it. But on the menu, if you press up, down, or the select button, you get this menu. Whoops. And on it, you can do a few different things. So HD, if you get buffering on your video, sometimes it's something as simple as just coming and changing it to original quality. 9 out of 10 times that will fix it. So that's a quick little thing too that can definitely help your experience. If your movie is not in English, this middle option right here, this movie only has English, so there's no other option. But if your movie is in a different language and you come to the menu, chances are that speaker will be available, and then you can change the language as well. And pretty much lastly is going to be this first option. It's going to be our subtitles. And so if you click that, we may or may not have subtitles available. If it says none, you can easily come down to more. It's going to automatically fill in that the movie or the show for you. And then you see here we have all the options. So in English, you can actually come up and change English to many different languages are available. But for mine would be English, so we can just leave it like that. And then you can just click and download.
Plex on deck, movies all night. Stay streaming, stay dreaming. No frustration, no steaming. Just click, sit and breathe in. There's no need, just the feeling.
And then you'll see the movie has subtitles. And so it's really that simple. It's constantly updating. It's fresh and ready to go. Again, you also do have the ability to make requests. Just reach out to your seller. And that's going to be Plex. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, reach out to your seller. If you found this video informational or helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, like, and subscribe. We appreciate your support. We wouldn't be here without you guys. So thank you for your time. Spread the word. And stay streaming, stay dreaming.